actually was going to a community college in Michigan. I was planning on going for nursing. I was working full-time to try to pay to take those classes. To come here, I came here, I got P.E.O scholarships and academic scholarships and athletic scholarships. It was a great opportunity. The doors really opened up for me. At first, I was a little hesitant, but I love everything about Cottey. I have even fallen in love with Nevada being here. I keep telling people I have turned into a small town girl. Like, I love the small town feel. I'm also a very relational person, and being in a smaller school with less students helps you just meet people and connect with people. So I chose secondary education because I love the idea of teaching, and I love having the opportunity to make a difference long term. Right now, we're learning how to do lesson plans. It's not just all book work. It's hands-on, we're getting up, we're teaching lessons. Just this morning, I taught my first lesson, and it's giving me that experience right now. Basketball has taught me so much. I have learned how to just persevere through things because of basketball. Even things like having to wake up at 4:30 in the morning to go condition, that has helped me in academics also. You have a full schedule when you're a student athlete, and you have to learn how to plan ahead and manage your time well. In our games, I'll look up in the stands and see our president, Dr. Weitzel, my professors, and the students as well. The basketball team goes to the softball games, and softball team goes to the volleyball games. I think that would be the reason that I would choose Cottey, is for the support from the students, the faculty, the staff, the size of the school also, being able to connect with students and have that relationship that you don't get at a big university.